So, good morning everyone. I am Alex T. Hernane from Section D. This is the identification of muscle parts of duck, and we need to wear protective equipments such as gloves, mask, and goggles, and also scrubs up to avoid any injury or danger or chemicals. So I'm going to start here. Scapu- Scapula humeralis caudalis, and here lastissimus dorsis canalis, and here is rhomboideus superciphialis, and here here is propatagialis, and here is deltoid minor, and here is saan naman? Deltoid major, and here is supracoradialis, and here is tricep scapularis, and here ay, here is bicep biting, and here is supinator supinator, and number 13, here is extensor brachialis ali, and here is adaptor ali, and here is adapt adaptor ali, and here is adaptor digitorum major, and here is intraolus drossalis, and here is ulnaris metacarpi dorsalis, and here is flexor carpi ulnaris, and